Hello viewers, welcome once again with Sir Muzammil. Today I am going to discuss how to attempt 5 mark question in AS Business 9609. Hopefully it will help you in solving your past papers. So let's start. 5 mark question is very common in section A, short answer in paper 1, and will usually need more developed explanation of business concepts. Question number 3 particularly provides an opportunity for the application and more developed explanation of a business concept. The 4 to 5 mark level specifically provides for this more developed explanation. In this question, business concepts have to explain soundly in developed comments to gain full marks. Following connecting words can be used to explain the concept: because, lead to, therefore, so that, as a result, consequently. So, anyone can use these connecting words to explain the business concepts in a more effective way. In fact, chain of argument is developed to explain the concept. So I show you some sample answers how to get 5 out of 5 marks. So I selected one question. First of all, see the question very carefully. Explain how human resource management helps to achieve business success. 5 marks. Many students used to ask how much we have to write, 1 page, 2 page, 1 point, 2 point. So there is no such information provided by CIs. In fact, they want very developed explanation of the business concept. Just like this. You can read this. Now, again, I am repeating the question: how HRM helps to achieve business success. See the developed explanation. HRM recruits workers who fit the requirement of the vacant post. They might then train these workers so that they have the skills to do the job well. This might encourage and motivate worker to put extra effort into their role because they have the knowledge and confidence to do it well. This will result in the job being done efficiently and quickly. More consumers will be satisfied with the business and sales will improve. So now you can see this how this point has been linked with the improvement of sales objective, how business can increase the revenue. Just see, this is another sample answer, and this answer has been checked by CIs, and CIs has confirmed this answer for 5 out of 5 marks. So this question is: explain factors that could influence the scale of operation of a business. The scale of operation of a business can be influenced by various factors. One such factor could be the access to technology. If a business has no or outdated production equipment, then the scale of operation would not be as high as it can be. Having access to outdated technology can help increase productivity level as well as the output level. So he has explained very well developed one point. Now the candidate is explaining the other point. Secondly, having an unskilled labor force in a business can slow up the production activities, whereas skilled and trained workers can produce more and better quality with less mistakes. The demand for products produced by a business is another factor. If a business is demanded worldwide equipment, however, a demand is precise, then business would use job production to satisfy consumer. So I show you the examiner comment about this answer. As the question asks for factors, there needs to be 2 factors present. Access to technology would have been suitable. The first factor identified and awarded a mark is outdated production equipment. The explanation that updated tech can increase productivity is awarded the second mark. So you can see it how your developed answer would be getting mark, how your developed answer could be getting more and more marks. So in short, simply you have to develop your answer. Same, you can see this is another sample answer, and the question is same: explain the factors that could influence the scale of operation of a business. So you can read this answer by yourself by pausing the screen, and by this reading you would have very clear idea what the examiner is asking and what the level of answer the examiner wants in you. I'm just reading the examiner comment. The candidates begin well with a simple definition of scale of operation which secured the first mark. Why not necessarily if explanation of the factors have been provided, as the question does not specify a definition. In fact, in 5 marks questions, simply you will write at least 2 points with very well developed explanation. If you would be able to explain the business concept in a more effective way, definitely you will get 5 out of 5 marks. Even many times I have seen if some candidates even write 1 point in a very effective explanation, the examiner will give you 5 out of 5 marks. But I will strongly suggest you must write 2 points for well developed explanation. Same, this is another sample answer where the candidate has been awarded 5 out of 5 marks. You can read this also in detail by pausing your screen. So, in short, read questions very carefully before writing 5 marks answer. This is much explanation needed in this section, as developed arguments will be awarded full marks. Add examples if needed to explain the concept. Thank you so much. Hopefully you would be clear how to attempt 5 marks answer. Thank you.